Well, everyone, you might be trying to go ahead and figure out why Microsoft Authenticator is not going through and basically showing any sort of notifications or anything like that. Now, maybe you're getting notified of, some sort of message going through, like it's supposed to be going through, but it's actually not coming through properly. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and just open up the Microsoft Authenticator application and make sure that you have the ability of going through and pushing notifications through it. So go through, make sure you've gone through inside of Microsoft Authenticator and just enable notifications. Also, you can go through inside of your settings application of your iPhone or Android, whatever you have. Scroll down until you find the notifications portion of your phone. Tap on notifications and find that application. So find that Microsoft Authenticator application, and all you're going to want to do is tap onto that application and make sure notifications are enabled. Doing those two things are going to be the most important things you can basically do there. And that's the very, very first important thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now, on top of that, another thing you're also going to want to do here is to make sure do not disturb mode or focus mode or anything like that are enabled. Because if they are, that can also cause some issues. So jump right back over here. And you want to make sure if you have do not disturb mode enabled like I do, that is probably going to cause some issues. So go through, disable that, and that's also going to help kind of alleviate these types of issues as well. If that's still not working, make your way back over into your App Store, search up for the Microsoft Authenticator application like this, and all you're going to want to do here is just update the application. That's another really easy thing you can do as well, and I think that'll probably end up fixing it for you too. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.